If you agree that the message is good, positive,
yes,
could add social capital, right, to
yes,
a country that is short of social capital, yes? But you have a problem with the messenger because of what she has done in the past and continues to do in terms of her performances.
Nicki Minaj, you only support people if they mix up. If you want to see people as skin out and a cuss for the media, you don't support them. And me no give a fuck. Me no business. Keep a gift them. I don't give one fuck.
People ask if we turn friend again. You link me in a G. I said, let's make bygones be bygones.
Deeper than that. Are you give me first big song?
What was the darkest time?
We are ghetto youth and we have ego and I start making me say no, God have any night. I couldn't be alone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll talk about Khandy getting upset with Nicki Minaj over gifts on TikTok, nationwide news defends Spice School tour idea, Kartel potentially winning his first Grammy, Kartel and Wayne Marshall men's friendship. So we have a lot to get into today. So if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Click on the like button, leave a comment and share.
Spice cannot influence, inspire, or motivate no young girls in Jamaica. I know me say so, at the church organizations and at the school say so. But make Spice it say me I send $1 million over the school. They would not have a problem with it. But what I always want to understand is why Jamaicans always look down on Jamaican culture. Not all. Always look down on Jamaican culture, right? They don't like dancehall. They don't. But then all I have to say is the lady was just gonna go as Grace Hamilton to speak to the kids about societal values, letting the kids know that not everything they see trending, they're supposed to jump on it. They're supposed to stick with the 3 Ds: dignity, decorum. You understand? But through a Spice.
So Spice has been in the hot seat for the last couple of days because of the school tour that she started and wanted to complete, and the church has banned her. Now, Cliff Hughes decided to step in and he had a conversation over the radio with the pastor. Take a listen.
If you agree that the message is good, positive,
yes,
could add social capital, right, to
yes,
a country that is short of social capital, yes? But you have a problem with the messenger because of what she has done in the past and continues to do in terms of her performances,
yes,
right? Good. But would you accept that those kids, those school teenagers, are the ones who follow Spice?
I agree. I agree.
And who better to turn around and say to them, listen, no to early sex, no to drugs, no to procrastination, yeah? Who better to deliver that message to them? You
Yes,
think I could go, you think they will go, if I go and tell them, they're going to listen to me?
No, they're
60-year-old man and
maybe
say,
you're a dinosaur, or people like us are a dinosaur.
exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. So that is why I am engaging you, because I want us to talk it through. If you want behavior change, yeah, that's what we want. We want to improve the values in the country, especially among the young and the vulnerable. And they are drawn to Miss Hamilton, Spice. They follow her music, her lyrics. They love her performance. Who better than her then to be used as a vessel to say to them, face to face, eye to eye, listener, no to early sex, no, what are the other no's?
No to drugs, no to drugs, crime and violence, alcohol, self-doubt and procrastination.
Answer me, Wayne, who is better?
Leave your thoughts on that in the comment section. Now, Khandy is upset with Nicki Minaj because Nicki Minaj never gave her yet on TikTok, apparently. So, and remember the other day when Macadam did come and cuss, say Nicki Minaj now give her. Well, Khandy say, according to what she's seen on TikTok, she say Nicki Minaj not give her because she mix up. But listen to what she said and you guys tell me what you think.
Nicki Minaj, you only support people if they mix up. If you want to see people as skin out and a cuss for the media, you don't support them. And me no give a fuck. Me no business. Keep a gift them. I don't give one fuck. But just sit down and me a pretend. Me say, you know, so if you don't mix up that woman, you don't support you? Yeah. You have to mix up for that woman they support you. You have to mix up bad for she support you. Yeah, you have to really mix up and in a one baga for she support you. We get to realize. Well, so most of the people them, cause boss said never mix up, boss said nice, full of vibes. So most of the people them, yeah, for me realize that she give the people them a mix up bad. Yeah.
Somebody would say if entitled was a person, but you guys know what you think about that in the comment section. Now, Vybz Kartel, the other day he dropped something on his timeline, a video actually saying, you know, God is the greatest and we have faith, and everybody assumed that he got his visa. While editing this video, I went on Instagram and he just confirmed that he did get the visa. So big up Vybz Kartel. But, you know, he's been hinting that he might win the Grammy. And Footah Hype, of all people, agreed somewhat. But this is what he had to say about Kartel potentially winning his first Grammy. Check this out.
Every single thing is being put in place for Vybz Kartel win the Grammy. Now, I truly not pay attention, you know. The government couldn't stop Kartel from come out of jail. See? Remember, Jamaica Labour Party now want to see Kartel a road. See? The powers that be will work with Kartel thing bigger than the government. See? Have more power than Andrew Wellness them. See? That's how me could have tell you, say Kartel going to get the visa. See? Him get a visitors, you know, the workers are forward soon. Cause them actually want him for dead in the Grammy.
I wonder what kind of power Kartel have. When somebody tell me in that comment section, you guys think he's gonna win the Grammy? Let me know. Still on Vybz Kartel though. He announced, you know, his new Viking, well not new, but the 10th anniversary of his old album Viking is gonna be it was re-released this morning today, sorry. And now I see Wayne Marshall and him have an interview of where he revisits his past being behind bars and explain his mindset, and also they talk about rekindling their friendship. It's not the entire video, it's just a few clippings of the actual interview, but you guys can check this out.
We are back in the cut.
Why if you talk about we're back?
Please, I make an early creed.
I'm just saying though.
Just saying.
You, how are you, man? Two is better than too many. Yes. Link me chip right from me say, yo, and that no one do.
People ask if we turn friend again. You link me in a G. I said, let's make bygones
be bygones. Deeper than that. Are you give me first big song? We not going under.
You spend as much time in the limelight as you spend behind bars. What was the darkest time?
We are get to youth and we have ego and I start me say no God have any night. I couldn't me alone.
If you don't like Sizzler, you must love Shango.
Yo, that body. And if you even rate Jamie Foxx, you must rate Django.
One teach,
one mash.
Big up Wayne Marshall. I like the fact that these two put aside their differences, and big up Vybz Kartel. You can see the full interview on February 6th at 8 p.m. on TVM TV. But you guys tell me your thoughts on that in the comment section. So people, Mr. This Over King mixed up page, you know, and at first Mr. Me never did not post it, but in caption when he say make me really have a question, because the caption says, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel has Beenie Man's wife stressing in the streets of Jamaica, giving away his children's millions to strangers just so that they can say her husband is the real king. And when I watched the video, I saw that she was passing out money, but somebody else in the video also said a long time she had give out money, and I just know a long time, even before she did with Beenie Man. But what got me confused is I still don't understand, because me never believe, you know, why she gives boom 100,000 for pull up Vybz Kartel song and not Beenie. So me just really confused. But check out that clip here.
One thing I say, Beenie Man, you know.
Hold on now.
One king, you know.
Hold on.
One king. Hold on, you know. One king, you know. And that's our thing, they hear that? One king, and one dancehall king. And big up being a man, him then in Miami, I deal with the whole heap of contract them.
And Tristan.
You understand? Big up Tristan Palmer and big up the management. You see me? I'm big one king. You understand?
Yeah.
The king said the street from a long time. And we know
Thanks, Camille.
the street, yeah.
I say thanks, and people are not just now Camille and give me money. Long before she and Beanie Man.
Long time. But guess what?
Long time I work here.
That is it.
Thanks, she a kind lady, long time. Beanie Man.
What is that? A Beanie Man moment and a Beanie Man set the street and I write the same thing there. You understand?
You see that song, yeah? I want a long time song, I want old song. It's not nothing to do with none of this. Or nothing to do with nothing what go on right now. It look like them send the wrong thing to you. I'm a big up Beanie Man in Miami right now. You want me now? 50,000 I give you for that song, you know?
I call on the phone and look, 50 grand this. What up?
That's double it for 100,000.
Hold on everybody, look. 100,000 for that Beanie. Don't make none drop. Big blood clot, chip cherry, oh, come on now. Jesus Christ! You I can't buy the rest of cement them and sand for the house.
That's what that song there. That song there, I don't need this song. Dash me that. We don't want that song there. Dash me that. Please them this song. We don't want that.
Daddy. Thank you.
Camille, I did not get any money.
If you reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.